almost done. Shh. Ah! Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel.
And welcome to all new people.
Yes, to the new people.
Today we're going to do something that's going to make our footage look so much better.
Yep.
So much better.
Excited. So, will we go do it?
Let's go do it.
Let's go do it.
Yep. Powerful though.
Oh yeah.
Very powerful.
Will we do it? Will we do it? Will we get it?
Good thing.
It's really good thing.
Really good thing.
Show them the back. We're so excited.
We got a new toy.
We got a new toy.
The light is bad, but it's a Mavic Mini.
We got this new toy. So excited. Should we open it? I feel like we should open it.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. So we decided to get this because we kind of felt like our footage was missing something. And we feel like
This will provide it.
will make it better. Hopefully. We'll see. It could be just us, it could be just absolutely terrible. Okay, so first out it comes in a cool little
Oh, here it is. It's actually in here. This is here.
it's so small. Oh, and as soon as the battery is heavy. I also got a splashed out on a 128 gig SD card because we thought that might have been handy to have. Look at them.
So this is the other drone we have.
It's terrible.
So it's not. It's good for starting out with.
It's good for like indoor.
Or really low altitude kind of flying. But the wind takes it.
Please remove the gimbal protector before taking off. Okay, so I assume we keep that on when it's in the case, and then when you're taking off, you take this off. So
But yeah, so this is just a quick size difference. Quite different in size. It is a big difference in size.
size matters.
No, it doesn't. It's the motion of the ocean.
So I mean, like, I am big into my photography as well, and to be able to start getting aerial photography as well
Yeah, that'd be great
would
for
be
you.
great. So
Great for your channel as well. Oh, it's realised there's still a tag on this. We didn't get up.
also just tags on all of the propellers just to open the cover, press and hold the battery release button and remove the battery. I'm assuming the battery isn't in it at the moment. It's very light. Yeah, so the battery goes in the back. In here. We open all the other bits, see what else we have.
Let's go.
So when these open the controller, I have spare
Yeah, this
propellers.
looks like the controller.
Oh, there's spare propellers as well with it, which is always good. You sure, man?
Yeah, I don't want to break it. Oh, wait. There we go. We got a controller.
So as far as I'm aware, your phone slots.
You have to use your phone
here.
for it.
Yeah.
I thought it was an actual controller.
So yeah, this is your controller, but your phone is your screen. If that makes sense.
Ah, yes, that makes more sense.
So you slot your phone in here, and then to see your screen, and then you have your controller. There's record, take a photo, return home, turn on. Oh,
We turned it on.
we turned it on. So I'm gonna. Oh.
So the next thing, which I'm assuming is the charger for the batteries. If it'll open, please open. Yeah, it looks like the charger for the batteries.
So we got the Fly More combo. with the DJI Mavic Mini. So with the Fly More combo, you do get 3 batteries, which is great.
And a charger.
When you just buy it by itself, you only get 1 battery and you have to charge it through the drone. But when you get the Fly More combo, you get
You also get the first case we got too.
the battery pack and stuff as well. So. And these are the batteries, they're quite heavy actually.
Oh damn.
Yeah, so they're good. They're good.
Lithium ion. Probably.
So you get there's your 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. So I suppose you put them on charge now so we can use the drone in a little bit.
Fucking heavy, aren't they?
They are. Which is good, I suppose. The heaviness is good because the drone itself isn't actually that heavy. So the battery will obviously help weigh it down when it's up in the air, if it's windy and stuff. And the good thing about the Mavic Mini is that it's only 249 grams, so it doesn't need to be registered. So like you can see it there on, it does show on it that it's 249 grams. So I think it's when it's 250 grams it needs to be registered, something like that, I'm not too sure. So
Put the battery in it, no?
no, there's a 2 battery there.
You may as well start charging this.
Charging them all now. Right, here's the charger. So you get a proper
Oh, plug and everything
plug
with
and
it.
all, which is great. Obviously,
So,
and this one, everything is in separate boxes. In this box you have, oh, there's a couple of wires. Let's see. Okay, okay, wow. So I'm pretty sure that you not only have to charge the batteries, but you also have to charge
charger.
this as well. So I'm pretty sure that's why they give you 2 USB plugs. I really should take the instructions out because I feel like with the instructions it'll tell us what everything is. Here's the manual.
A little screwdriver. Give me a little screwdriver. That'll come in so handy for my PC.
Mavic Mini Quick Start Guide. These are the joypod stick thingies.
I knew it'd be weird to just have it like that.
There we go, that looks better. It was a bit weird just having like just the button.
Yeah, that's why I was like, it's weird.
Then this is to connect your phone to the controller, and it's good because it comes with iPhone, it comes with USB-C and with Android, which is really good because obviously there's so many different types of phones. So we'll use the USB-C and the iPhone one for earphones. It's exciting. I feel like a child on Christmas morning.
Do we leave this on or do we take it off?
The black thing?
Yeah.
I'd say take it off. So before we got it, I'd looked at a couple of reviews and stuff on YouTube, and for a small drone, it seems pretty powerful. I was watching Casey Neistat's review on his one, and the footage he got, like he done a comparison between that and the Mavic Pro 2, or it was another one, and like there was a difference in the quality of the footage, not like by much, more so like the color grading, but the distance it went and all was still pretty similar.
Yeah, so I'm having really good fun with this.
So we'll leave it charging for a little while and then we'll bring it outside and have some fun. So the drone is charged and ready to go. Lee's just setting it up on his phone and we'll
Hopefully
see what it's like.